Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find system settings. And as you can see, on the fourth position we've got date and time, so let's enter. And here we've got some options which we can customize, but as you can see right now the date and time and of course time zone options are inactive. It is of course because we are using the automatic date, time and time zone. They are network provided. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and as you can see right now they are active, so we can freely tap on it and just by swiping pick the date first of all which we want to set. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and by swiping pick the time you want to use. Tap on it in order to hide those options, and as you can see it will be immediately applied also to the status bar. We can change the time zone. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. But of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We've set previously 5 o'clock and right now we've got 1 o'clock. Here we've got also the dual clock, so of course if you want to use it, just tap on it and turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And here you can decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Right now is 24-hour format option set. You can use 12-hour format just by tapping on the switcher by turning off this option, and as you can see it will be again immediately applied. So basically this is how to customize the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format and on both of the switchers to use the network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.